This video is to show the Shawtronics connector to replace the typical socket pin ones. This one here, what we've done, as you can see right here, we've got these pins here, separation of about 0.1 inches. And instead of having the socket, the regular typical socket that goes on, that screws on, and you screw it in with these locks right here, for testing purposes, we have made this type of probe. What it's got all the pins that we need, and we're using these spring-loaded QA sockets. As you can see, that they press down, and we're using the crown version of it so we can get a good hit on the ends. And the way it works, it's a very simple process to use it. You just line it up like this. And you can see if I press in like this, it springs in and out. Then all we got to do is, we've got a lock behind it, behind the connector. You hold it with your fingers like this. This with it. This connector will give you about 100,000 tests, whereas the other ones were constantly getting intermittent readings because the socket loses its spring on it around the pin. Gets dirt in it and everything. And there you have it. There's a lock right here. Here's the lock-in screws for it, and it works really nice. A clean design.